Whether it's Unity, Unreal, Godot, or any other game engine, they all started like this: an entity and a small set of rules. So, let's talk about it. How did I make this? What's the code? And let's get on with it! How I made it. Essentially, to start, I downloaded a template so that I wouldn't have to set up Raylet by myself, which was by programming with Nick. It was thanks to him this was a lot easier. Alright, let's get this done quickly. So here we have the entity struct, which stores all the entity's variables. We have the width, which is how wide, height, how tall, x, and the y, so the position, and speed, how fast it moves with WASD. Over here, I actually declared it, so 50-50 is a square, so that makes sense. The height and the width is equal. 275 and 275, which is the top corner, so it makes it the exact middle of the screen. And 3 is the speed, so it'll move 3 pixels every frame if you keep it WASD down. Other than that, here's some things that'll be in V2, hopefully. The texture 2D text, which will make it an actual texture, or a character, and here's the character name. That's it. Alright, so final part. So here I just declared the init window, which just makes the window 800 by 600, and I named it game engine v1. Then I made the while loop where all the drawing and stuff happens, and the logic that has to be ran always. And here I did WASD rules that the blob y, so W and S, is going to be minus equal because Cartesian coordinate system, so it's actually the reverse of what you would think. So the lower the value is, the higher up the character will be, and the higher the value is, the lower down the character will be. And here the x is normal, and here we have boundaries, so it can't just go out of the screen. Yeah, this is the boundary, so this would be the left side, right side, top, and bottom. And then here I just draw the background color, which is the bluish color, I believe. And then we just draw the rectangle. We just draw a reddish rectangle with blob x, blob y, and 50-50 for the width and height. And that's it. Alright, thank you. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video and liked that I made my first game engine, albeit with a template, please leave a like and a sub to see more content like this, as it's obviously a V2 coming. I've hinted it once or twice this video. So yeah, leave a like and a sub. Stay tuned for part 2.